Hello everybody, it is Steve with SBL Games. Today we are doing an expedited repair for Amari, who scared the crap out of me earlier, but that's another story for another day. We are going to definitely include a deep cleaning, because as you can see, it is going to need it. It is definitely going to need it. Yeah, it's definitely going to need that. Definitely Walmart. Damn it, I ruined it. It was supposed to be Kmart. There's 4,352 4,352. All right, the chunkiness is just unreal on this one. That's the mini heatsink, and then that's a glimpse into the main heatsink. We'll get into that in a moment. And then it looks like in the fall, it's hard to get on camera, but in the fall, you can see the scuffs. Mostly you can see that one with the camera, but there's like a whole barrage of scuffs right here. There we go. It's a little better. Yeah, there's scuffs. It fell hard. Look at that. And now we're at the main heatsink chunkies. Take care of all these for you too. Don't worry. All these chunkies. All the chunkifies. So that is the chassis cleaned out. That is the power supply cleaned. I'm sorry, power supply. That is the main heatsink cleaned out. And that is the power supply cleaned out. Time to go ahead and get the port off. We already got it prepped. Alright, let's do it. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and clear these post holes out. Wow, there's a lot of soda in there. Take the soda. There we go. Usually somewhere around 10 seconds is when it takes. Really sucks it. Soaks it up. Gotta cut that off. Cut it out. There we go. Three down, one to go. And we're getting pretty close here. Damn it. Alright, give me a moment. Alright. Let's try again. Of course, there's an ambulance in the background. Give it a while to really soak it up. Hey! Alright, should be good. Let's go ahead and check out the other side. Alright, so it doesn't look like we have any torn pads, which is always good news. Always sounds all brutal. Alright, let's get this all cleared out. Completely cleared out. We'll start with the post holes. Make sure those are all the way cleared out. They got a little chewed up in the fall. That's fine. Should be able to work around that. Yeah, it won't budge. It's okay, we'll work around that. There we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and clear out the old solder and get some new solder on there. Just gotta watch out for that little capacitor right there. Alright. There we go. There we go. Board prepped. Port prepped. I'm really still pretty concerned about the portholes on this side. They're pretty heavily damaged from the fall, but should be able to work past it. Should be able to. There we go. And I'm in a time crunch, which sucks for me. We just gotta get these posts done, and then we are done. I already did the tweezer test. It passed the tweezer test, so that's always good. Let's go ahead and get these posts secured and get this same day completed so we could go home and get rest for tomorrow when we have to slave away and fix more units. It's fun though, I love it. Alright. Alright. That is the finished product on the pins. Now it's time to reassemble and test. Alright. It did boot into safe mode, but picture has been restored. HDMI port replacement successful. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. Steve with SPL Games, signing out.